Hello. Welcome to ActionNET tutorial provided by Spin. In this video, we'll continue the exercise we were doing. We'll talk more about database and reports. To get started, go to Edit menu, Tag submenu, Templates tab, and create a new template called Empregados, which means employees. Put 3 new tags as shown. Then go to Objects tab and create a tag called Empregados, with Empregados type. Now let's create a new database. Go to ActionNET installation folder and find T-Database Builder file. Run this file. Click to open a new database. Give it a name. Be sure to put file extension as .db. Right-click Tables option, select New Table, name it Empregados, which means employees, and put 3 columns as shown. Add data to your database. Go back to ActionNET and go to Datasets submenu. Choose SQLite Data Provider from available providers and click Create New. Give it a name and click OK. In connection string, put the directory path of your database. To do this, go to File. Click Properties and copy. Fill in this information in Data Source field and click Test. It should find database and also find the table. If this doesn't occur, the error will be displayed. Go to Tables tab and create a new table, name it Empregados, which means employees. Choose the DB created and select Empregados table. In mapping, link the database data to the tags in your project. To do this, just put a tag in one field and in the other one select the corresponding column. Click OK and then enter. Create a new display called Empregados. And open a data grid. Set it as shown. Create new labels to display status messages. Also add text box and date picker to view the database data, as shown. Finally, add 3 buttons, one to select, another to go to the next one, and another to return to main page. Create 2 new methods and add the code shown in code behind, relating them to the 2 buttons. Relate this new page to main display. Create a new tag responsible for storing report name that will be saved. Now let's create a new report. In Report submenu, give the report a name. Choose the extension of it. In this case, we will choose PDF. Leave the save file name field blank. On Text Editor tab, fill in the report as desired or as shown in this video. Save and create a new display called Page Relatorius. Put it in Report Viewer. In left menu, link it to report you created earlier by entering the name. Fill in the rest of the display as shown. In text box, Place Arquivo Relatorio tag, which means report file. Create a new script for save field. Fill in as shown. This script is intended to save the report to path of the given directory, with the name the user wants. To do this, place the desired path in the first part, between quotation marks, and fill in the rest as shown. Save and then go to main display to relate the button to newly created display. Now we're going to test some settings of Run and Info menus. Go to Run menu, Build submenu, and click Build button to make sure everything is correct. This may take a few minutes. If there's something wrong, it will be indicated by a red X. Let's also publish the project. To do this, just click Publish. A .trun file must be created. Check in corresponding folder if this file was created. In Info menu, Track submenu, you can see project changes. To enable this function, you must be logged in as administrator. Click to change user and fill in with administrator. No need to enter password. Then, place enabled in tracking field. Then, make some changes in project. We'll add a tag, for example. And click Refresh. All changes will be shown. Finally, we will give startup in this project to see the last configurations working. The alarm is triggered because temperatures are low. We will enter this display only to stop the siren. Go to Database Display. Note that when selecting a data, the success message is displayed. And clicking on Next button will show the next rows of data. In Report Display, you can see the report created in ActionNET. To see if the Save command is working, enter a name for the file and click Save. Go to the directory previously indicated and see that the file has been saved with name indicated. We have finished our basic ActionNET tutorial. If you have any questions, Spin is available to help you. Thank you for your company.